I'm sitting outside, looking around, and I'm just thinking, listening, hoping to listen to the voice of God, some reasoning. Like, I can't make things make sense in my mind, how we have meat and chicken and in the shelves and supermarkets, and we have so many McDonald's and Burger Kings and Popeyes and Texas and delis that sell the same stuff and product and proteins. How do we have all this animal product being sold on a daily when our farms are themselves only have a certain amount that could only go into cells? Make that make sense? When I was doing my 40-day fast and I stopped on the 11th day, I felt like every animal that's out here, cats, dogs, mice, squirrels, they've been just processing it into the ground.